Hey guys, it's John from US Dash Camera. Today I got a review on something a little different. Now it's been a while, over a month since I did a dash cam review, but this is sort of a slow time of the year, February. There's definitely more coming soon, including the Blackview DR590 and other new cameras, so look out for those in the near future. So what I got here is KeySmart with tile smart location. So as you can see, it sort of looks like a Swiss Army knife style key holder, and I've had one like this before. It didn't have any of the smart features in it, but it was pretty cool. It kept my keys nice and compact, and overall I liked it, but I think I was removing some of the keys or something, and the washer or something fell off, or I lost it and I couldn't keep it together anymore, so I eventually had to toss it because it just kept falling apart. So this one, besides having that tile feature, which allows you to find your phone with this or find your keys with your phone, it is supposed to have a bottle opener, I believe, and then there's a flashlight. So what's cool about this is I heard that the standard tile devices don't have removable or rechargeable batteries, but this one is rechargeable, so I think that's a real big benefit of this. And then you don't have to have anything extra on your keys with the standard tile. So these are my keys right now. I recently bought an older 2007 Prius just so I don't have to drive my truck everywhere, and my truck was a real pain installing two-channel cameras. So now with the Prius I can install two-channel cameras for my reviews a lot easier. It's going to be my daily driver. So what that means is I do actually take the key off and put the one on that I'm going to be using that day, which more often will be the Prius. Now this little key holder is actually another KeySmart accessory. You can lock and unlock it. So it spins like that or spins like that. Then that way you can unlock stuff. So I currently carry a Leatherman Style CS. I like this thing a lot. It's got scissors on it instead of pliers. And then it's got a small little knife. And it's a bottle opener and screwdriver, just tweezers. I do like it, but all I really use on it are the scissors once in a while. And then you can see all my keys. I got apartment, building, mailbox, lock that I use for a storage locker. So pretty standard. I don't keep all my keys on here, of course. Now let's take a look at the KeySmart. Opens up. You can see it shows some of the features. Claims it'll fit a variety of keys. There you can see it's expandable, flashlight, and a bottle opener. Apparently, got to charge it before I use it. It does come with a little charging cable. It's a little micro USB cable. And now the KeySmart. Here's some instructions. It's 12 spacers. Add keys. Use spacers between keys. Place front plate back on. Add keys on the other side. So pretty straightforward, and then instructions for the app. So let's go ahead and put it together. One thing I wish was this was a little bit deeper. There's very little depth to that. Gets the job done, but would have preferred to have a little deeper of a slot. Alright, so let's take out all the spacers. Now I gotta get all my keys off. So actually, I'm not gonna put the spacer in. So I don't need to have it. For whatever reason I thought I needed it, but it doesn't appear to be the case. Pretty even with those keys, so I don't think I'm going to use a spacer at all. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back together. So now it's all attached, fits in pretty nice. You don't want to tighten this too much because that friction is going to move that. So the bottle opener is actually what it connects to right there. So let's get it on this piece here. Now this is my garage door opener. The reason I have it on a keychain is because it's a detached garage and there's no door or anything, so when I'm outside of it I don't like carrying the big garage door opener, so I just keep this on my keys. Now lock up, and there we go. Might actually just take this off because I hardly ever use it. So let's go ahead and do that. So there we go. Now there's no more dangling keys. Now, I wish I didn't have to have this, but just due to the way my garage is set up, I want to keep it. And of course, since I have two vehicles, if I want to swap, just gotta open that up, and bam. So I really like this little locking thing too, because I've had some carabiners where they come open easily, and this one's really small, so overall I'm pretty happy with it. So let's take a look at the other features now. Okay, so now I did charge it up a bit. To charge it, just got this little cover right here. Pulls out like that. And then a little red light will indicate that it's charging. So I did install the Tile app, and it's pretty easy. Once you have the app installed, you go to add a tile, click that button on here once, and then it connects. So here, now if I can't find my keys, and you can actually change the ringtones. Now you can view it on a map, but I'm not going to do that because I'm at home. I don't want my location shown. Then in details you can change the ringtone. Now what's really cool is even though this is on silent, using this, click the tile button, it's really small. It's hard to see with the white, but double click it. So now my phone will alert. and that's pretty cool because it works even if you have it on silent. Now, there was also the flashlight, which it's okay. It's not super bright, but considering how tiny it is, it's nice if you just drop something on the ground outside at night, you can use it to help find it. So overall, I'm really happy with it. The price is pretty hard to swallow though. It's $60 currently on Amazon, and I'll provide a link down to where you can purchase it through an Amazon affiliate link, of course. I don't know if I would have paid $60 for it, but when I ordered it, there was a President's Day sale, and I got it for $45. So for $45, it's still pretty pricey. I mean, if it wasn't for the fact that it has the tile feature and the light built in, I definitely wouldn't have paid that much, but I always looked at tile and considered getting one of those. I actually got one for my blind dad, so that really helps him when he loses his keys. But again, overall, I'm still happy. I don't regret buying it, so hope this video was helpful. If you like this video or my other videos, I'd appreciate if you hit like and subscribe. And as usual, drive safe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.